Hello, fellow dog lovers. I'm James. Are you ready to witness the magic that happens when a dog's tail starts to wag with pure joy? In this enchanting journey, we'll unlock the secrets to a dog's heart, exploring a world of wagging tails, playful barks, and boundless happiness. Join us as we delve into the realms of delightful doggy exercises and interactive adventures that not only keep your canine companion fit, but also nourish their spirit. But before we dive into the fun, make sure to subscribe. Dog health is a fundamental factor for your canine companion to lead a long and happy life. This encompasses elements such as a balanced nutrition regimen, regular veterinary checkups, and necessary vaccinations. Additionally, it's essential to ensure that dogs are provided with appropriate nutrition tailored to their ages, breeds, and lifestyles. Adequate physical activity, sufficient water intake, and appropriate parasite control are also of critical importance for dogs to maintain a healthy life. Walks, runs, swimming, and playtime are vital for a dog's physical health. Regular monitoring and treatment for internal and external parasites can contribute to a dog's ability to maintain a healthy life. Early detection of certain diseases through regular checkups is crucial, especially for breeds predisposed to genetic health risks. Regular exercise is a cornerstone of a healthy life for dogs. Walking, running, playing, and engaging in mentally stimulating activities cater to the physical and mental needs of dogs. Ensuring that dogs receive the appropriate amount of exercise helps them release energy, prevent excessive weight gain, maintain muscle mass, and stay happy. Dogs eagerly look forward to spending time with their owners and playing outside. Hence, regular and effective exercise programs are vital for dogs to be healthy and happy. Exercise not only benefits physical health, but also enhances socialization, ultimately influencing a dog's happiness. Dogs are social beings that thrive on building connections. Interaction with humans and other dogs is crucial for their happiness. Training dogs with love, attention, and positive reinforcement shapes their behavior and enhances their happiness. A comfortable, secure, and stimulating environment also influences their happiness. Regularly introducing new toys, activities, and showing them affection enriches their lives and makes them happier. Feeling loved by their families is crucial for a dog's mental well-being. A life filled with activities and games designed for dogs, as well as quality time with their owners, can increase their happiness. Additionally, having a consistent daily routine and predictable events can provide dogs with a sense of security and contribute to their happiness. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of happy and healthy dogs. We've unraveled the secrets to keeping our furry friends in top shape, both physically and mentally. Remember, a joyful dog is a healthy dog. If you found our video helpful and entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting adventures in the canine universe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a bark-worthy update. And as always, remember to share the love by giving your pup an extra belly rub today.